Hey everyone, we're going to do front post and back post double crochet. You can also do this for half double crochet. It will apply. This is for my chapter keeper pattern where we alternate front post and back post double crochets on round 5 of the trim. So please don't be confused by this. This is actually one of my favorite things to do to add texture. I am using a different color here. I actually don't recommend color changing here because you see it, but that's kind of the point, is I want to show you how it looks different. So you will yarn over. This is the next post. You are working around the posts of the stitch. We are never going into the top of your stitches, okay? So we're gonna yarn over. This is for a front post, I should clarify, I'm so sorry. Front post, yarn over, insert hook just before the post you're working around, underneath, and back through. So the post is on top of your hook. You're going to perform a double crochet, so we're yarning over to get some yarn on the hook there, and we're pulling it back through that hole behind that post. And now you have 3 strands on your hook. Complete your double crochet as normal. There's your front post. Let's do a back post. The next stitch or post available, you're doing the opposite of what you just did. So we're yarning over. This one feels a little trickier. You're going behind your work, inserting through that hole before the post and putting the post behind your hook. See that? Post is behind the hook. Yarn over, pull that yarn all the way back through. Okay, so you've grabbed the post. That post is hooked. And I think I dropped, gotta do it again because I dropped my yarn. So yarn over, go from behind through the hole. The post is behind the hook, yarn over, pull all the way through to where you're behind your work again, like that, and then complete your double crochet. So let's do a couple more of those. Yarn over, do a front post. That means you're going from the front into the front of the work. Front post, go through the front of the work and then come behind the post. Yarn over, pull back from behind the post to where you have 3 on your hook and complete your double crochet. For back post, you're going from the back of your work. You're entering through from the back, up and over that post, yarn over and pull all the way through, okay? And complete your double crochet. And this should be the effect you're getting. I don't like I said, color changing, not the vibe for me, but you can see how you're wrapping around the post and you're not working into the stitch. So that's just alternating front post, back post, double crochet. Hope it was helpful.